sentiment, cause so am I. It's delightful, it's delicious, it's still lovely. You can tell at a glance what as well. Night, this is for romance. You can hear to Mother Nature murmuring low. So let's have go, so please be sweet, my chickadee. And when I kiss you, just say to me, it's delightful, it's delicious, it's delectable, it's delirious, it's dilemma, it's delimit, it's deluxe, it's still lovely.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. We're a band called The Royals, and we're here to play some swing tunes from the 30s and 40s before some of you I know are going off into the show this afternoon. So that was a tune called It's Still Lovely, written by Cole Porter. And we're going to carry on now with a tune called Isn't This a Lovely Day?
Is frightening, the thunder and lightning seem to be having their way, but as far as I can see, it's a lovely day. The turn in the weather will keep us together, so I can honestly say that as far as I'm concerned, it's a lovely day, and everything's okay. Isn't this a lovely day to be caught in the rain? You were going on your way, now it's time to remain. Break for me. I can see the sun up high, though we're caught in a storm. I can see where you and I could be cozy and warm. Let the rain pitter-patter, but it really doesn't matter if the skies are grey. Long as I can be with you, it's a lovely day. see the sun up high, though we're caught in a storm. I can see where you and I could be cozy and warm. Let the rain pitter patter, but it really doesn't matter if the skies are grey. Long as I can be with you, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day.
Thank you very much. So seeing as we've got a ginormous Christmas tree right next to the stage, we better play a couple of Christmassy tunes for you this afternoon. So here's one I'm sure some of you are going to recognise. Feel free to join in singing with this one.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And it doesn't show signs of stopping, so I've bought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home will be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, but my dear, we're still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow.
Thank you. Well, that was, of course, the Christmas tune, Let It Snow. We're going to play a tune for you now called No Strings, I'm Fancy Free.
No strings and no connections, no ties to my affections. I'm fancy free and free for anything fancy. And no dates that can be broken, no words that can be spoken, especially when I am feeling romancy. Like a robin up on the tree, like a sailor that goes to sea, like an unread melody, I'm free, that's me. So bring on the big attractions, my decks are cleared for actions. I'm fancy free and free for anything fancy. big attractions. My decks are cleared for actions. I'm fancy free and free for anything fancy. Thank you very much, thank you. I'd like to introduce you to these wonderful royal gentlemen playing for you today. We've got George Cooper on the piano, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Matt Hopkins on guitar. And Will Harris on the double bass. Great, so as I mentioned earlier, we're a band called The Royals. And if you're doing a little bit of last-minute Christmas shopping, feel free to browse our CDs that we've got with us today. They're just £10. We're going to carry on now with a tune called Straighten Up and Fly Right.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
A buzz took a monkey for a ride in the air. The monkey thought that everything was on the square. The buzzer tried to throw the monkey off his back. The monkey turned his neck and said, now listen, Jack. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Ain't no use in diving. What's the use in jiving? Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, won't you blow your top? The boss told the monkey, you are joking me. Release your grip and I will set you free. The monkey looked the boss right there in the eye and said, your story sounds so touching, but it sounds like a lie. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, won't you blow your top? Fly right, straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Ain't no use in diving. What's the use in diving? Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, won't you blow your top? The boss told the monkey, you are choking me. Release your grip and I will set you free. The monkey looked the boss right there in the eye and said, your story sounds so touching, but it sounds like a lie. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, won't you blow your top? Fly right. Thank you. I think it's time for another Christmas tune, don't you? And I've got a feeling some of you will recognise it. We've got some flyers with us today as well, so feel free to pick one up there. You can check out our website with all our information on. Here's a Christmassy tune for you. Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all
All together now.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card on right. May your days be merry and bright, and may your Christmases be white, and may all your Christmases be white.
Thank you very much, and a Merry Christmas to you all.
Go on, mate. Do your worst, mate.
I've been a roaming Juliet, my Romeos have been many, but now my roaming days are through. Too many irons on the fire is worse than not having any. I've had my time and now from on I'm putting all my eggs in one basket. I'm betting everything I've got on you. I'm giving all my love to one baby. Lord help me if my baby don't come through. I've got a great big amount saved up in my love account. Honey and I have decided love divided into won't do. So I'm putting all my eggs in one basket. I'm betting everything I've got on you. I'm betting everything I've got on you. I've got a great big amount saved up in my love account. Honey and I have decided love divided into won't do. So I'm putting all my eggs in one basket. I am betting everything I've got on you. 'Cause I'm betting everything I've got on you.
60 seconds.
Thank you very much. That was I'm Putting All My Eggs in One Basket. We're going to carry on now with a great old jazz tune. This one's called Route 66. And you can find this tune on our CD, which we have with us today, if you want to look at the tracks we've recorded. Good stocking fillers.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
If you ever plan to motor west, travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks from Route 66. It winds from Chicago to below in Gallup, New Mexico. Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, King, my boss, no Sam, and I won't you get hip to this timely trip. If you take this California trip, get your kicks from Route 66. Get your kicks from Route 66. Get your kicks from Route 66. Ooh, baby. Thank you very much. Thank you. That was Route 66. So we're great fans of Nat King Cole. We're going to carry on now with an arrangement of a tune he used to do. This one's called Yes Sir, That's My Baby.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir, that's my baby. No, sir, don't mean baby. Yes, sir, that's my baby now. Yes, ma'am, we've decided. Yes, ma'am, you're invited. Yes, ma'am, you're invited now. By the way, when we reach that picture of fame, with feeling, yes, sir, that's my baby. No, sir, don't mean maybe. Yes, sir, that's my baby now.
Yeah. Excellent.
Thank you very much, thank you. I think it's about time we did another Christmas tune for you now. Yeah, and feel free to join in with it. You can dance or sing or anything you like.
There's even a Christmas tree over there.
And we're going to do this special Christmas number for our friend over there who's celebrating his birthday today, Dave Morris. So we'll play your Christmas tune for your birthday. How about that? He's rocking around the Christmas tree.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie, then we'll do some caroling. You old-fashioned way. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with bells of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Thank you very much. That's a good old tune, isn't it? So we're going to play a tune for you now. This is called How Do You Like Your Eggs in the Morning? And we're going to dedicate this one for the wonderful charity Touch Trust, who work just through those doors, doing a fantastic job working with a lot of amazing people through there. So this one, How Do You Like Your Eggs in the Morning, is for Touch Trust.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Your eggs in the morning, I like mine with a kiss. Boiled or fried, I'm satisfied as long as I get my kiss. How do you like your toast in the morning? I like mine with a hug. Dark or bright, the world's alright as long as I get my hug. I've got to get my love in the morning, or the rest of my day is positively mayhem. I'm a regular monster. How do you like your eggs in the morning? I like mine with a kiss. Up or down, the world's alright. Eggs can be almost bliss, just as long as I get my kiss, just as long as I get my kiss. To get my love in the morning, all the rest of my day is positively mayhem.
I'm a regular monster.
How do you like your eggs in the morning? I like mine with a kiss. Up or down, I'll never frown. Eggs can be almost bliss, just as long as I get my kiss, just as long as I get my kiss. Thank you very much.
Hit that jive. Okay.
So this next tune is called Hit That Jive Jack, which you can find featured on our lovely CD we've got with us. I can see people are selling brochures and lions for the Lion King. The lion's even been dancing to our music. How about this one?
Hit that jive jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Standing on the corner, all full of jive, but but you know that you're my boy and I'm forced to give you 5.
Shada yada, hit that jive jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, I put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, I put it in your pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man and I ain't got time to shake your hand.
Standing on the corner, all full of jive, but you know that you're my boy and I'm forced to give you 5.
I hit that jive jack, I put it in your pocket till I get back. We're going downtown to see a man and I ain't got time to shake your hand.
Till I get back.
Hit that jive jack.
Thank you very much. So I think we've got time for one more tune before the show gets cracking and you start taking your seats upstairs. We've been the Royals. You've been listening to George Cooper on the piano, Matt Hopkins on guitar, and Will Harris on the double bass. And my name's Emily Wright. Thank you very much. We're going to leave you with this tune now, but hope you all have a very, very Merry Christmas. Enjoy all of your wonderful food and enjoying time off. We're going to leave you with a tune called I Love the Rhythm in a Riff.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Music comes again, lift, bump me up, anything to make it swing. I love the muted trumpet tone, blended with the mellow saxophone, bump me up, what a lot of kicks it brings. Oh, when that rhythm's in ya, the blues don't have a chance. You find that groove up in ya, make you never think about romance. Jump, jump your rhythm with a riff, any kind of music gets a lift, bump me up, kicks it brings. Never, never, ever, that don't. So your feet, probably, when that rhythm's in ya, the blues don't have a chance. You find that groove up in ya, make you never think about romance. music comes to get a lift. Bobby up anything to make it swing. I love the mute trumpet tone, blend it with the mellow saxophone. Bobby up more love and kicks it brings. When that rhythm's singing, the blues don't have a chance. You find that groove of wing, making it think about romance. Jump, jump, your rhythm with a riff. Any kind of music gets a lift. Bobby up